Hello guys, so how are you? Hope you all are doing fine. Good. So what about your typing practice? Are you practicing? How it is going? Well or not? Having any problem? Facing any problem, any difficulties to type any lesson, any key? If you are having any problem, then mention in the comment. Okay, ask in the comment section. I will give you the most appropriate solution to you guys. Understand? We have gone through the lesson 1, lesson 2, okay, lesson 3, and we have gone through these lessons and word practices. Okay, yes, today we will learn about the typing the numbers. Okay, till yet we have practiced on the alphabets, okay, English alphabets on the keyboard. So today I am going to give the lesson about the typing the numbers, typing these numbers. Okay, typing these numbers. So we have gone through ASDF space semicolon LKJ. We have gone through ASDFG space semicolon LKJH, then ASDFGF space semicolon LKJHJ. Okay, these. Okay, then we have practiced this. Then we practiced this QWERT space POIUY. Then this bird practice. Then this lesson ZXCV space oblique full stop comma M and B. And I have said you to practice this lesson a lot till not should not stop this lesson. Okay, you have to continue with this lesson. You must stop all the lessons. No problem if anybody is still having problem in typing these lessons, then no problem, you leave it. Okay, practice the words enough. Okay, do the but practice enough a lot. Now no need to go through the exercises lessons anymore. Okay, only do the but practice, but you have to keep practicing this lesson. Which one? ZXCV space here oblique is not here, but I am saying oblique full stop comma M and B. Okay, you have to continue this lesson unless I ask you to stop. Okay, understand? Yes, keep practicing this, repeating again. Then the but practice will you have to do all the but practice of all the lessons, these two. Okay, I am asking you to stop only these lessons. Okay, these lessons only, but I am not asking you to stop. I am asking you to keep practicing this but practice. Okay, word meanings should not stop. Okay, you have to continue with the but practice. Okay, don't get confused, but you have to continue this lesson and the but practice too. So I'm going to remind you basic things which I had already reminded you, that some things, some major points. Okay, basic rules while typing is that, yes, about these bangles. If anybody is continuing to typing with wearing these bangles in your hand, so and watches in your hand, so please, I am urging and requesting everybody not to do this type of nonsense. This is a complete stupidity. So it will affect your typing speed. Okay, it will affect your typing. Understood? It will again and again strike. Okay, understood? So free your hand. Okay, feel your hand lighter. Okay, with your heavy hands, how much fast you can type? Understand? This is the main reason why I am asking. Okay, with light hands you can type faster and faster. Understand? So do not wear this bangles, watches, anything that may have your hands. keep your hands lighter, and yes, then practice, then typing, then do typing, no problem. It will increase your typing speed, if accuracy, many things. So yes, it directly affects your typing. Okay. And about nails, your nails should be trimmed regularly. Nobody should increase your nails. Okay, nobody should grow your nails. Okay, your nails should be trimmed properly, regularly. Okay, if you type with grown-up nails, then you may face problems while typing. Okay, that if you are typing E, then your finger will go through E3, either R4, anything, anywhere, but because it may slip the keys. Okay, that's the main problem. That's the main reason why I'm asking you to trim your nails regularly. And girls, yes, girls have an habit to grow their nails. So if you are preparing for examination, then should not grow these nails. Okay, you can do these things, do these stuffs later on, but now if you are a student, you are preparing for your typing skill examinations in any sector, either SSC, railways, or NTPC, anywhere. Okay, then you should not grow your nails, girls. Understand? Yes. So one more thing, that students of candidates of SSC, CHSL and CGL 2023 can cover this examination which will be conducted in 2023, can confirm their seat in the vacancy of this year. Understand? So if you want, if you are eager and if you are determined toward your goals, your examination, then I am with you. I assure you that I will be there for any problem that if you're having in typing skill examination. I will go through that. I will solve each and every problem, whatever you will having. So don't worry about this. But you have to do only one thing: follow each and every steps given by me, and come under my guidance. Okay, I guarantee you that you will be passing the typing skill examination. No doubt in this. Okay, but the point is that you have to do, and must have to do. It's a compulsion. You have to do anything that I am asking you to do. Understood? I am there for you. Just you have to do only one thing. Just follow me, whatever I am saying. Okay. So let's come to our today's lesson. That is number practice. Practice of numbers. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 space 0 9 8 7 6, in this way. Understand? So I'm going to show you while practicing some. Yes, the same method. We are going to type that. Keep your hands steady on the home row. Okay, your hands posture will be like this. No changes in the hand posture. If you are having any problem in fixing your hand posture, then fix it as you can do it. Okay, so that you may have better typing practice. Understand? Yes, fix your hand posture problem. If anybody having problem, then contact me. I will go through your problems. So you won't having any problem anymore then. So yes, on the home row, keep your hands in this posture. Look how it's my hand. I am keeping my hand in this way. Here we go. The same in the same way we have practiced the previous lesson. We have to go to 1, come back, then press 2, come back, then go, press 3, come back, press 4, come back. 4 and 5 with the same finger, left hand, index finger or fourth finger. Understand? Then here space, then go to the 0, come back, go to the 9, come back, then go to the 8, then come back, go to 7, come back, go to 6. Okay, then come back. this is the way you are going to type the number keys. Okay, so I'm going to type some keys for you. Okay, here we go. 1 2 3 4 5 0 9 8 7 6 1 2 3 4 5 0 9 8 7 6 1 2 3 4 5 0 9 8 7 6. Yes, this is the way we have to type. You won't feel any difficulties in typing these number keys. You can do it very easy. It's not tough. It's not tough for them who practice with discipline and regularity, but it is tough for them who don't practice regularly with discipline, with determination. Okay. Look, I'm going, then come back, then coming back, then going forward, then pressing the keys and coming back to the home row. Yes. No need to do typing in hurry. Okay. Type slowly. Slow and steady wins the race. So this was our number key practice. Okay, and then after you have to practice some number keys. Okay, practice some mixed numbers. You have to practice this. Understand? Yes, many students are asking about the pages in the PDFs of the lessons. So it is already uploaded in our Telegram channel, which is named as Lal Computer Typing. So I will give the link also in the description box. So you can go there and join the Telegram channel, and you can have the PDFs of the pages. Understand? Yes. So this was our number practice today's lesson, and we are going to have some changes in our daily typing routine. Before that, I am going to do the practice for you to show you how to type these numbers, mixed number keys. So here we go. What is our first word? Number 140. 140. Here we go. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. The second number is 145. 145. 145. 145. 145. Yes, here we are having the consecutive numbers to type. 145. So our students usually do they press 1, come back, then 4 5 they do repeat it. Okay, they don't come back to the home row. They continuously keep type 4, then continuously they type 5. Okay, this is wrong method. You should not do these things. Okay, this is a completely stupidity. So should not do these things. Yes, press 1 key, come back, then go, then again press 1 key, then come back. This is the main and the best method you have to do typing. Okay, and we are going to practice some 4-digit number. Okay, here it is 1 2 3 4. Yes, 1 2 3 4. We have the number 1 2 3 4. So don't do the foolishness. What? 1 2 3 4. This is not. It's a fault, big fault. Should not do these things. Press 1, come back, then go. Press 2, come back, then go to type 3, come back, then go and press 4, come back. Yes, this is the right method. 1 2 3 4. The next word is 5 4 5 1. Okay, go for 5 4 5 1. 5 4 5 1. 5 4 5 1. Yes, in this very way you have to practice the number keys. Okay, practice of mixed numbers. I have shown you how to type. Understand? Yes. So going to change your routine, how to your daily typing practice routine. So from now you guys have to start typing from here. First of all, whenever you start your typing practice, start with this lesson, which alphabet. Okay, I start A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Understand? You have to start from this lesson. Practice it for 5 minutes. How much you can type practice in 5 minutes? Just practice it for 5 minutes. Then after go to the lessons, word practice. Okay, let me show you how to practice this. Here we go. What we are going to practice the English alphabets. That is A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Yes, if you are getting mistake in this alphabet practice, then don't worry, keep practicing. Yes, practice the only way to the perfection. Okay, but practice leads to the perfection. Understand? So don't worry about the mistakes. Keep practicing. After some days your mistakes will be reduced. Okay, then after some days you are having no any mistakes, no error typing. Understand? So time to time with your discipline, practice, your determination, your regularity, you will be having no errors in typing, and you will be the master in your typing. Understand? So this is the lesson. Start from A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U W X Y Z. This lesson. Then go to the here. This first English alphabets. Then start from here. Practice this word. Practice. Then come here. Practice these words. Then practice this lesson. Okay. This lesson for 5 minutes. Then practice these words. Okay. Then practice the numbers. Okay, that's all for today. Keep practicing with regularity and discipline. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.